Welcome to How Things Started, where we delve into the fascinating origins of some of the world's most influential inventions and ideas. Join us as we uncover the stories and events that shaped our world today.
Welcome to today's episode of How Things Started, where we delve into the fascinating history of various inventions, innovations, and discoveries. Today, we're taking a closer look at the story of weather forecasting and tracing its origins from ancient civilizations to modern-day technology. Join us as we explore the human curiosity, scientific advancements, and technological innovations that have led to the creation of one of the most essential tools for our daily lives. The story of weather forecasting is one that dates back to ancient civilizations, when the Egyptians and Romans gazed up at the sky and used observations of the stars and seasonal changes to make predictions about the weather. These early forecasts may have been far from accurate, but they set the stage for a science that would eventually change the world. In the centuries that followed, brilliant minds from all over the world contributed to the development of weather forecasting, including Muslim scientists like Al-Farabi, Al-Biruni, and Al-Tusi. These pioneers used tools like the anemometer and astrolabe to study atmospheric pressure, winds, and climate, and make observations about the weather. It wasn't until the late 1700s, however, that weather forecasting really began to take shape. Scottish scientist Luke Howard was one of the key figures in this evolution, as he started classifying clouds and studying their connection to weather patterns. This was a major breakthrough, and paved the way for the birth of modern meteorology. The 1800s were a time of great change, and weather forecasting was no exception. The invention of the telegraph revolutionized the field, as it allowed weather observations to be quickly shared between observing stations. This led to the creation of national weather services, and for the first time, meteorologists were able to analyze data from multiple locations and make accurate predictions about the weather. The first meteorological department was established in the world in the late 1800s. As the years went by, technology continued to play a critical role in the advancement of weather forecasting. Norwegian meteorologist Wilhelm Bjerknes and Carl Gustav Rossby developed mathematical models to analyze and forecast weather patterns, which laid the foundation for modern weather forecasting. And with the launch of the first weather satellite, TIROS 1, in 1960, meteorologists were able to observe and track weather patterns from space like never before. The late 20th and early 21st centuries saw the rise of supercomputers and sophisticated computer models, which allowed for even more accurate and detailed weather forecasts. Today, data from weather balloons, aircraft, and ground-based instruments are all used to make predictions, and the science of weather forecasting continues to evolve and improve. The importance of weather forecasting today cannot be overstated. Accurate forecasts are essential for the safe operation of airports, the optimization of renewable energy sources, and the management of natural disasters. They are also critical for farmers, who rely on forecasts to plan their planting and harvest seasons, and for emergency responders, who use forecasts to respond to hurricanes, tornadoes, and other extreme weather events. The future of weather forecasting looks promising, with continued advancements in technology and modeling capabilities. In the near future, we can expect to see even more accurate forecasts, made possible by the integration of new and emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence and machine learning. For example, AI can help to analyze vast amounts of weather data, making it possible to identify patterns and make predictions with greater accuracy and speed. The continued expansion of the Internet of Things, IoT, will also play a role in the future of weather forecasting, as sensors and other devices become more widespread and provide real-time data from different parts of the world. This will make it possible for meteorologists to make faster and more accurate predictions, and will help people to prepare for extreme weather events with more advance warning. Moreover, the development of quantum computing has the potential to transform weather forecasting, as it will allow for the processing of massive amounts of weather data in real time, making it possible to make predictions that are far more accurate and reliable. In conclusion, the story of weather forecasting is one of thousands of years of human curiosity, innovation, and a never-ending quest to understand the world around us. It is a story of scientific advancement, technological innovation, and a commitment to improving our lives and the world we live in. Thank you for joining us today on How Things Started, to learn about the fascinating history of weather forecasting. If you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all of our latest content.